73.1 pounds. He has a professional record of 9 wins, no losses. From Moscow, Russia, let's welcome Samanдар Murodov. The referee in charge, Sam Amidi.
We are getting towards the end of this event, and this is going to be one of those fights that everyone was looking forward to. Murodov versus Kurbanov. In an event that Islam Mukhayev just walked in. He just walked in, sitting next to Javier Mendez.
Well, Samandar in the center, both exchanging leg kicks, cancel each other out.
Murodov looks huge.
Yeah, he does. Got a bit of a bigger frame, hasn't he? Bobur Kurbanov in the green shorts, Samandar Murodov in the black. Slowly backing Bobur up, trying to create a bit of space with that body shot though. Goes for the leg kick though. Samandar's headhunting air, but goes for the double. Great shoot by Samandar.
Got them huge long arms that could get around the back of him.
Gets Murodov down to the ground. Settles into half. Just steps over the left leg of Murodov.
But Kurbanov looks a bit anxious, right? He looks a bit like, you know, the deer that got stuck, right? He just almost overwhelmed, right?
Yeah.
And I'm talking just purely on body language.
It's nice, patient work from Samandar from distance. Set up the shot so nicely to get Bobur down to the ground. Again steps over. Into half guard to Samandar. Nice control at the moment from Murodov. Kurbanov on the ground, trying to be careful not to give up his neck like that. Nice control at the moment from Samandar Murodov. Nice patient build-up.
Yeah, he's fighting really well. Not giving him any space. Every time he tries to pull up onto his hip, he just flattens him out. Does plenty of ground and pound to not get stood up.
And he's using his knee as almost spear to use almost like a third hand. See how he's trying to trap his left arm? I'm talking about the Kurbanov arm, and he did get trapped, and Murodov is just unaware, like just hitting him over and over.
Yeah, the position is beautiful, and all it does is it tempts Kurbanov to give his back up and give his neck up, which he can't afford to do.
And he has him trapped between the fence and himself, and using his knee as, like I said, as a third weapon. Unfortunately, Kurbanov looks as if he's chewed more than he can. He just can't handle the situation.
That right hand from Samandar Murodov going to work, not giving his opponent any opportunity to escape. Not taking any particular risks at the moment as Murodov, but on his back, Kurbanov really not got much offense going. Difficult to escape here.
No, I mean, Murodov's one of the best prospects in the world of MMA at his weight class. So it's very hard to tell what Kurbanov should and shouldn't be doing, because
gets the mount, he's giving up his back.
And he has the time, he has time, he has about 100 seconds. He can try to get the end of this fight. And
just beautiful back attack, great work from Murodov from Tajikistan. The undefeated fighter, now training in Moscow. He's only 24 years old, taking on a guy like Bobur Kurbanov and owning him pretty much on the ground here. He's got the hooks in, just softening him up slowly. Methodical, surgical grappling here.
Yeah, I'd imagine he does this stuff in training every day. He's so comfortable. He adapts, he transitions. He never lets his opponent make some space to turn towards him. When he was against the cage, he moved towards his back and threatened to choke every time he tried to posture up off the floor. It's a nightmare opposition for anybody. He has got his legs crossed there, which you can take advantage of if you spot it by
puts
looping the right leg over.
His legs over, he can break his ankle.
Yeah, if
one of the worst mistakes you can do, and when you give your back.
Kurbanov puts his right leg over, no, it's gone now, but over Murodov's left foot, he could raise his hips up and almost create an ankle lock of his own. But he's corrected it now, and he didn't spot it anyway.
And you know, Kurbanov might survive this round.
Yeah, he's got 15 seconds left in which to do so. The Tashkent lad Bobur Kurbanov has not been finished in a hell of a long time.
He's not going to want to get taken down in round 2 because this is a grim reality of being underneath this guy Murodov.
Oh, he gets up. Bobur Kurbanov is pulling on his shoulder. I think he's indicating that it may have popped a little bit. Indicating to his corner, it looks like he's in a fair bit of pain.
Whatever he's indicating, it's a lot of negativity when you're showing something like that to the corner, and it's not a good place to be.
Well, we take a look at the headline there on screen. Alex Lecco da Silva, 23 wins with just 5 losses, fighting your main event here tonight, UA Warriors 46. Again, Makashkala's Denislam Kamavov. Absolutely superb lightweight fight coming here tonight, Euros 46. Still got Trent Girdham coming up against Dmitry Bokadja from Georgia here tonight.
Oh, and the fight is over.
Wow.
The fight is over.
Doctor's called it.
Is that the shoulder?
Yeah.
Shoulder popped.
Samandar tries to see if he can pop it back in for him.